So let us start with one more problem, which will be using offset voltage to current converter, where the input voltage range is within the range of 4 volt to 2 volt, and output current is within expected output current is within range of 2 milliamps to 10 milliamps. Means what is being expected, this side we have input as the voltage and expected output is current. For given input current, given input voltage, that is 4 volt to 2 volt, we are expecting the output current, that is 2 milliamps to 8 milliamps, let us say 10 milliamps, sorry, 10 milliamps. So if we write it here like this, what is input and what is output, we will get that input is voltage, output is current. So let us say the initial voltage VA is 4 volt, for initial output current is IA is equal to 2 milliamps. Initial voltage VB is equal to, final voltage is 2 volt and final current is 10 milliamps. So we are aware about, with this there is a circuit that we have projected for this particular. Input voltage is within range of 4 volt to 2 volt and expected output is 2 milliamps to 10 milliamps. Input voltage is decreasing while output current is increasing. So in this case, if we are using the formula, let us say for R span, we have to use for this offset voltage to current converter, the formula is R span is equal to VB minus VA divided by 2 into IB minus I. This was the formula. So with this formula, if you understood, it is being expected that R span is going to be negative because VB is smaller. VB is smaller and VA is larger. IB is larger, IA is smaller. So in this case, the R span will be negative and there is no negative resistance existing. Okay, R span should be positive. So for that, what we are expecting, that is, we should use one inverting amplifier with this particular circuit. So what we have to do, if we are giving V in to this, there should be some circuit which will provide us, that is minus V in. So what is being expected, we have to design unity gain inverting amplifier. Means gain is negative. Unity gain inverting amplifier, that is to be expected. And here we have to use offset voltage to current converter. Okay, so we have to go for one unity gain amplifier. Okay, so that is being expected. In that case, this voltage range can be reversed. This will become minus 4 and this will become minus 2. So minus 2 is greater than minus 4. So our problem can be solved. So we can use the circuit like this. So how the circuit is going to be? Circuit will be like this. We will have a unity gain amplifier like this. Here we have to apply V in, and this circuit is to be applied to the next circuit plus V minus V, then this is 1 mega ohm, 1 mega ohm, this is our V reference we have here, and after that here we were having R span, and here we have RL, and we have IO here, which is being followed like. So we are expecting that the circuit will be like this. So now the problem will be becoming simple. Here we will get minus V in. Here the range is 4 volt to 2 volt. Here it will become minus 4 volt to minus 2 volt. Okay, now we can use the equations for R span and equation for our that is V reference. We know the equation for V reference is 2R span into V equation for V reference is equal to 2R span into IB minus VB. So let us solve this particular now for this problem. Now here this is your VB, VA, this is becomes VB. Okay, so R span is equal to, now we got VA is equal to minus 4 volt and VB is equal to minus 2 volt. VB minus VA divided by 2 into IB minus IB. So VB is minus 2 volt minus 4 volt divided by 2 into 10 milliamps minus 2 milliamps. So that is going to be, this now becomes plus, so 2 volt divided by 2 into 8 milliamps. So 1 divided by 8 milliamps it becomes. So that is going to be 1000 divided by 8, because milliamps is going to be 10 raised to minus 3, and now this is 125 ohm we are aware about. So R span we got 125 ohm, and now V reference we can calculate, that is equal to 2 into R span into IB minus VB. So 2 into 125 multiplied by IB is 10 milliamps minus VB is, now VB is minus 2 volt. Okay, so it is going to be 2 into 125 into 10 raised to minus 3, minus becomes plus, that is 2 volt. So 2 into 125 multiplied by 0.01 plus 2 volt. So this is going to be 2.50 plus 2 volt. So that is going to be 4.5. So V reference is going to be 4.5. So like this, putting these values R span in this circuit, that is 125 volt, V reference is equal to this particular. So R1 is equal to RF. We have to put it like this: R1 is equal to RF is equal to 10K. This will be unity gain amplifier. R span is equal to 125 ohm and V reference is equal to 4.5 volt. The problem can be solved.